was born in Idaho and raised in Utah and Arizona. My mother was Shipwick Bayou from one of the 5 bands of Southern Pirates of Utah. She was born near St. George, along with my grandmother, who was born there in 1884. And later she met my father in Idaho. The Southern Paiutes are a much overlooked group of Indian people. They're desert dwellers living in southern Utah, northern Arizona, and southern Nevada. When the trappers and the explorers would come through this area just north of the Southern Paiutes, they would meet a group of bearded Indians. Most people don't think that American Indians had beards, but there were bearded Indians. In fact, the trappers thought they were Spanish, because they looked Spanish with their beards. The Southern Paiutes were both physiologically and psychologically adapted to their environment. They knew where to find the water. They used irrigation to plant their crops, and they were skilled traders and basket makers. The old Spanish Trail went right through the heart of Southern Paiute territory. They lived north of the Grand Canyon and west of the Colorado River, which they call the Big River. Cochon Indians were what they were called at one time, which means Big River. And in honor of those people, here's a little tune that I've written in the style of the Métis Indians of Canada, the American style. It's called Big Chief Quitus. Chief was the leader among these people in one of their small family clans. He was a rabbit chief, would decide when to hunt the rabbit and where to go. And so this is in honor of him. I guess I got the wrong phone number.